Alright, really quick tutorial here, making sure we're all on the right page here. So I've got my music downloaded here that I'm going to listen to, and I've got my recording device right here, just my phone. Of course, if you have a microphone or something else you've got hooked up, that's great if you're going to record that way. But a phone will be just fine, or any other device, a laptop or an iPad. So I'm going to put my recording device over here, so kind of like the way you're looking at me now. So got it there ready to go, turn it on. Got, of course, my instrument, and my sheet music is in front of me over here so I can read it. And now I just got to turn it on here, so got to make sure I put my headphones on, because we don't want to hear the music here in the recording, okay? You're only going to hear it for yourself. So I'll put my headphones on, got my music ready to go, got my instrument, and I start. So I'm listening. It's going to tell me to clap now. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. Okay, lined up with that. Really important to do that step. Okay, it's going to give me 8 clicks now. And I'm going to play. 6. Okay, now of course I would do the whole thing and everything. And for those of you who have a good ear, I just played that in the wrong key, but it's just for demo. So now some of you are going to go back and go, wait a minute, let me check that out. Alright, so if I play the whole thing, just a couple more tips, which is, notice the view that you've got here right now. Make sure you get that view when you're looking so that we can see you and your instrument. You know, if you kind of do this, then you can't see a whole lot there. And if you're doing this, yeah, we can't see a whole lot there either. So let's make sure we can see you and your instrument. Feel free to move a little bit, you don't get into it. And the last thing is, if you have a directional instrument like this one here, where the sound's literally coming out one way, make sure you don't aim it right towards your sound, to the recording where you're going. That's going to really distort the sound. So away a little bit from it would be great. Okay? I hope this helps, and good luck.